All right, so today we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy M17e 5G. This is one of Samsung's more affordable 5G phones, but on paper, it actually offers a pretty balanced package for everyday users, and even for people who enjoy keeping up with smartphone specs. Starting with the design, the Galaxy M17e 5G comes with a simple, clean, and modern look. It doesn't try too hard to look flashy, but it still feels neat and practical for daily use. On the front, it features a 6.7-inch HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. So even though the resolution is still HD Plus, the high refresh rate helps make scrolling, animations, and general navigation feel smoother and more comfortable to use. For performance, Samsung uses the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset here, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM. For daily activities like chatting, social media, streaming, online shopping, and light gaming, this setup should feel responsive enough for most people. And because this is already a 5G smartphone, you also get better long-term value if you want a phone that feels more ready for newer mobile networks. Now let's talk about memory and storage, because this is an important part people often look at first. The Galaxy M17e 5G comes with up to 128 GB of internal storage, which is already quite comfortable for apps, photos, videos, and everyday files. It's a good amount for general users who want enough space without worrying too quickly about running out of storage. Depending on the variant, you also get 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM, so you can choose based on your usage and budget. For cameras, the Galaxy M17e 5G is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera on the back, along with an additional secondary sensor. In good lighting, this main camera should be able to deliver decent detail and natural-looking colors for casual photography. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera, which should be more than enough for video calls, selfies, and basic content for social media. One of the biggest highlights of this phone is definitely the battery. The Galaxy M17e 5G packs a 6,000 mAh battery, which is a strong point for people who want a phone that can comfortably last all day, even with fairly active use. Samsung also gives it 25-watt fast charging, so even with a big battery, charging is still reasonably convenient. On the software side, this phone runs Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8, which means the experience should feel familiar, clean, and easy to use. Samsung also highlights long software support, which is always a nice advantage in this price segment. For extra features, you also get practical basics like a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, modern connectivity, and overall a user experience that feels straightforward and dependable. So overall, the Galaxy M17e 5G looks like a solid choice for people who want an affordable 5G phone with a smooth 120Hz display, reliable everyday performance, a comfortable 128 GB internal storage option, and a very large 6,000 mAh battery. It's not trying to be the most powerful or the most premium phone out there, but for daily use, it offers a practical mix of features that makes a lot of sense. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.